Good afternoon. Dreamline Company welcomes you. Let's start with a few words about the experience and approaches of our team. We have been working in the oil and gas sector since 2005. During the last several years, we have gained a huge experience in SCADA and MES systems, telecontrol systems, frequency drives, Internet of Things controllers and sensors, ERP systems and cloud technologies, especially related to the oil and gas production business. This allowed us to develop a solution regarding oil production monitoring and optimization, well repairs, as well as production and financial analytics. The solution functionality was developed for specific target groups. In addition, it is aimed at influencing oil production indicators and the cost of maintenance and equipment repair. In this presentation, we will demonstrate to you the system's functionality aimed at influencing oil production indicators. On your screen you can see the interface of the production optimization system, which is developed using artificial intelligence technologies. It is possible to implement this system on the SAP Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure and open source. The main goal of this module is to make diagnostics of underground equipment conditions and select the optimal well operation modes. The system solves challenges of proactive decision-making on the repair of wells, reducing losses in oil production, and selection of the optimal well operating mode to maintain production at the level of established technological regimes in order to achieve the production plan. In the upper left corner, a module of daily well data is shown. The purpose of this unit is to monitor oil production, according to the automatic group metering system, compared with theoretical production measured by intelligent well management systems, taking into account the technological regimes of wells. Monitoring is carried out every 2 hours, during a day, week and month. In the upper right corner, there is a data analysis module for the main control parameters based on machine learning technologies. Control parameters include performance, dynamic level, oil pressure, wellhead annular pressure, current, voltage, engine temperature, well productivity coefficient, insulation resistance, warranty period of the installation, system operation signal. How does it work? The system dynamically analyzes the group of control parameters of the well in the lifetime. A simultaneous change of parameters in the control process uniquely determines a particular situation during the operation of the well. The decision-making system looks in the use case database for the situation closest to the one that happened at the current well object and gives relevant conclusions. For example, the system can warn us about the facts of a pump flow reduction, tubing leaks, works on disruption of the pump and other facts of a malfunction. Subsequently, the system has an ability to automatically create a well equipment repair request. This solution is relevant for wells with rod pump, centrifugal pump or screw pump production technologies. In this example, we consider centrifugal pump wells. To the right of the control parameter indicators, there is a scale for monitoring the oil production of a selected well at the current time with a daily accumulation. In addition, the system's functionality allows you to remotely start and stop a well and change the well's productivity. In the lower left corner, there is a graph of historical values for the selected time period of some of the control parameters. Ranges of changes in units of measurement of control parameters are different to each other and differ by several tens of times. Therefore, before submitting them as input values to the decision-making system, it is necessary to normalize the data. The system provides matrix and cartographic forms of visualization of well operations, where stops are highlighted in red. Based on this information of well shutdowns, the system gives recommendations for production optimization presented in the Production Profile Control Unit. The purpose of this module is to process and analyze all input signals in real time with subsequent issuance of recommendations for optimizing production by groups of wells in case of other well shutdowns. How does it work? When a particular well stops, The system selects wells that can cover downtime losses by temporarily increasing their fluid production. As you can see, the stopped wells are colored by red. The wells below make up for losses from downtime with their production according to the technical regime and the level of production to which it is necessary to increase their fluid production. In the upper left part of the block, there is located PI indicators, which shows the number of well stops and optimized production that was obtained using algorithms of data analysis and recommendation issuance. This module requires close interaction with the geological and production departments of the customer to analyze and take into account all production factors that affect the final result. All processed information on diagnostics and well indicators is subsequently used for a qualitative assessment of the need for well repairs and serves as the main basis for decision making. You can be familiarized in more deeper details with solutions on the planning, execution of repairs and their effectiveness by watching our video regarding maintenance and repair processes. Advantages and effects of our solution. During developing our solutions, we try to cover all important production processes that affect the maintenance of oil production, reduction of financial and production costs. The intuitive and convenient interface of the system implemented with an innovative, modern technologies of artificial intelligence and machine learning allows the system to form a complex and time-consuming analysis and hugely helps decision makers optimizing their work time for complex and time-consuming data analysis. The main advantage of our solution is price. Due to new technologies, our solution is several times cheaper than similar solutions of other vendors. The main effects of our solution are the reduction of oil losses due to the qualified diagnostics and timely deviation detection of main control parameters, and the maintenance of oil production obtained by optimal selection of the well operating modes.